Hey YouTube, how are you doing today? This is DLR. I'm going to show you how to make a pickle and what I use. So I'm going to get right with it. Here we go. As you can see, I have an old coffee maker. What a crappy thing this is, I tell you. It's been modified, as you can see. We've taken the back part off and the top part, and I've just left the burner, which gets pretty hot. If you're asking why I did this, I'll tell you, because it was making a gurgling noise trying to suck water in, and it was just really annoying. So we took it apart at the back. You can use a crock pot, one of those small ones if you can find them, or a larger crock pot. Anything that's going to generate heat to the liquid that you're putting in here is great. You're going to take a measuring cup, and this is a bucket of salt that I have just for this purpose. You're going to fill it into here. I'm going to just use one of these. And then I'm going to take regular vinegar. I usually take distilled vinegar. It's usually distilled vinegar, but I bought this, the cheap vinegar. It works pretty well. I'm going to pour the vinegar in just about to there. It's about between 4 to 6 cups. And I'm going to turn it on. And then it's going to heat up, and we'll come right back and I'll show you what it looks like. You notice the hotter it gets, the more the salt dissolves. So just let it keep heating up. There we go. You see it's much clearer now. Did a bit of swirling and checking it. It's hot. Okay. Now I'm going to show you that this works just as well. See here, I have a piece that I'm working on. Here's another one I'm working on. You can see that it's got fire scale on them. Okay, I'm just going to tip them in there, and I'll come back in a little while and show you what happens. It's hot. Okay, I got it out. Let's take a look. Yep. Turned out all right. Now I'm just going to wash them and dry them. Now let's see what we have here after we've washed everything off. It came up pretty well, as you can see. The fire scale's gone. Now all I need to do is polish them up, and they're good to go. With my solution, I usually put it in a jug, and I'll let it cool down, and I'll store it, and I'll use it for later. It keeps pretty well. Thanks for watching.